Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable step. Open the Virustotal app and sign in. Once signed in, make sure the app has permission to access files and the network so scans run smoothly. Next, choose what you'll submit, file, URL, or hash, and review the privacy setting for each submission because this affects sharing. Finally, tap the Scan or Submit button to begin. This gets you into the scanning workflow quickly and securely. Once done with the initial scan, dig into the detailed analysis by reviewing engine detections and the detection ratio to gauge risk. You'll want to read community comments and check the metadata tab. Together, they explain how a sample behaves and why engines flagged it. Then explore relations and behavioral reports to map files or domains linked to the item. Make sure to use filters and historical scans or an API query to cross-check changes over time for thorough investigation. To finish, save and share your findings. Export a PDF or JSON report, tag the item for future tracking, or submit samples to vendors. Once done, set up an API key or integrations to automate rescans and continuous monitoring so you don't repeat manual checks. If detections conflict, make sure to rescan after verifying file integrity and confirm you uploaded the exact file. Also clear app cache and retry. This troubleshooting step resolves most inconsistent or transient detection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.